Hello, wonderful people. Welcome. Do you know that not too many things tell your unique story like your wardrobe? It tells the story of where you've been, where you are, and where you even aspire to. The wardrobe that is an amazing center point of our getting ready every morning, our dressing world, can very quickly become the source of different emotions, ranging from anger to anxiety to frustration if it is not easily managed. Imagine with me for 1 second, you're trying to get out by 6:30 a.m. And 6 a.m. you're still standing in front of the wardrobe trying on many clothes. You pick this one, it's too small, you drop it on the bed. You pick that other one, it's too big, you drop it on the bed. You pick that other one, it's rumpled, you drop it on the bed. You pick the third, the fourth one, it has a rip on it, you drop it on the bed, and oh my God, it's 6:20, and then you try to go look for the fifth one, and that one doesn't just work with the feeling you're having that morning, the color you want to wear. And then you drop the fifth one on the bed, and then the clothes are piling up on the bed. You're running late now. You still need to get your food. You still need to get some things ready before you leave the house. Panic. That is just a little bit of some of the emotions a person can feel when the wardrobe is not properly managed. I am Margaret Bukola Adeniyi, the CEO and founder of S.T.Y.L.E by Margaret Company here in Qatar. And I'm going to be walking you through my 5-step framework of decluttering any wardrobe. Clarity, they say, is power. If you cannot see very clearly what you have in your wardrobe, it becomes very difficult for you to manage what you cannot see clearly. If there's too much clutter in the wardrobe, there are too many clothes hanging and pouring over the rails, and the hangers are not even holding the clothes anymore. You need to move and shovel things to be able to see what you have. The clutter will not let you enjoy your wardrobe. So one thing that we're going to achieve today is clarity. How to get clarity into your wardrobe in 5 easy steps. The acronym we'll be using today is the S.T.Y.L.E. So style is our acronym today. Let's get into it. The first letter S, which is also the first step in getting through that clutter in the wardrobe so that you can effectively manage it, is to start from a small area. To declutter your wardrobe, to edit your wardrobe, because what you cannot edit, what you do not declutter, you cannot manage. If it's in a total mess, everything is piled up in one heap. For you to get a blouse in the morning, you need to go through 100 all sorts of clothing items. That kind of clutter will not let you enjoy your wardrobe. So what we are going to do today, the first thing to do is to start from a small area. You can actually just pick a drawer. If all you can do is sort through your drawer of socks, honestly speaking, the mere fact that you have started will start giving you a good feeling of accomplishment, and that will spur you on to do even greater things in your wardrobe, to do more in the wardrobe. So start from a small area. Avoid overwhelm. If you bring out the whole content of your wardrobe and put on your bed, I can assure you, well, at least I know myself, I would not want to go through that kind of a pile. It will feel overwhelming, like, oh my goodness, when am I going to get through this? And then if you're not able to get through it and it's the evening time and you need to go to bed, then you have another problem of sorting out, piling them back in, or trying to tidy up the bed and things like that. That can be really, really overwhelming. So start from a small area. If you can only do your tops in one day, or the bottoms in one day, or different, you can just take a section, just take a small section and walk through that small section, and you'll find out that you're feeling good and you are able to go on to the next thing. So start from a small area. The next letter in the acronym of getting through clutter in the wardrobe so that we can effectively manage it is T. Time yourself. Time yourself. What I usually do is time myself for 15 minutes. So I set a timer for 15 minutes, and once the timer goes, I just start working on a little portion that I have already marked out, that I've already planned to work on. And once your timer goes, it's also a good time to play your favorite song and, be bubbling and dancing or singing as you're getting that portion done. So set a timer. The timer will keep you on track because you're focused within that 15 minutes. And can I assure you that there is a lot of things you can do in 15 minutes? A lot. So time yourself for 15 minutes, and while the timer is running, just make sure that you are working on it without distraction. If your 15 minutes is finished, I'm sure you're asking me, what if my 15 minutes is finished and I'm still feeling pumped to go ahead? Why not? Why not? All you need to do is start another timer for 15 other minutes. So just reset and start another 15 minutes and just go on and on. And once the energy is on, trust me, you will get a lot done with that wardrobe. And once you can see through your wardrobe clearly, it becomes much, much easier to manage it moving on. So the second step in decluttering your wardrobe so that you can effectively manage it is, yes, you guessed it, time yourself. Why in our S.T.Y.L.E is your purse on a pause? No, let's face it. Shopping for more clothes to add to a cluttered wardrobe is just going to add to the chaos that is already existent in that wardrobe. So just buying on emotion, buying because there is sales. I'm not saying buying on sales is a bad thing, but if you don't need it, even if it is on sale, it is not a good buy. So adding to a cluttered wardrobe will only increase the feeling of anxiety and frustration when you need to get ready in the morning. So let's press pause on shopping until you can clearly see what you have in your wardrobe. So pause on shopping. Your purse, your bag, your wallet on pause until we get clarity into what you already own. In my experience of working as a style coach, I have found women say, oh, I didn't even realize I had that kind of blouse. And then they've bought another one and bought two others. Or they didn't realize, oh, I didn't even realize I had black t-shirt. Oh my goodness, I just bought two more. If you do not know what you have in your wardrobe, the tendency is that you might just shop and add things that you do not necessarily need to it in your wardrobe. So please pause your pause and get clarity, and be sure you know what you already have, and organize the wardrobe so that you can see clearly through your wardrobe, and then you can know what is missing, and then it will be the right time to shop. The way to shop wisely is to manage your own wardrobe and see what you already have. Think, what can I pick from my wardrobe? What can I shop from my wardrobe before I shop in the store? The next step in our acronym is L. And the L stands for let go, feel light. And this is my all-time favorite for decluttering any wardrobe, for editing any wardrobe. Let go and feel light. From those dated socks to that dress that is like 2 sizes under your current size. Let go. Sometimes people say, oh, when I lose weight, I will come and wear it. Or in case I add weight, I will have that. So they hold on to clothes that are like 3 sizes down, 2 sizes away. And, they open the wardrobe in the morning, so they cannot just pick anything and wear. Because the wardrobe is cluttered with clothes that do not fit, or clothes that bring up negative emotions. Sometimes people go through things that are not pleasant, and they remember those things by the clothes they were wearing when such things happen. Why is it the first thing you see in your morning? On a fresh new day, it is time to part ways with such things. it is time to take them out. The nice dress you used to wear when you were like 2 sizes down what you are now, your body now is gorgeous. And my philosophy of styling women is working with the body you have now. So there is no point of going through 20 clothes that do not fit you anymore every morning and wishing you were still the size 0 you were in 2005. It's 2023. Okay, and the glory body you have now is a glorious one. So let's dress that body every morning with grace and step out with faith and confidence that that day is going to be a glorious day. So whatever is not serving the body you have now, one good way to get rid of them is to just put them away in one place. Take them out of your wardrobe. Make your wardrobe to be a sanctuary of only clothes that fit you, only clothes that work for the body you have now, and also clothes that work with the season that you are in. The idea of letting go to feel free is taking out the things that are not serving you right now, the things that are not needful now, and stowing them away to a place that you can then reach for them when the need arises, if the need ever arises. And if you feel like, oh, okay, I am keeping this in the event that I lose weight, then you can take them out and work on your goals, your fitness goals, your healthy eating lifestyle and all that. And when you arrive at that point, you can then go and get it from wherever you have kept it. So let go. Feel free. The last letter is E, and E represents everything kept in specific spots. For you to manage your wardrobe effectively and be sure that it is not cluttered, you need to organize everything in specific spots. That does not mean you need to go on a shopping spree for containers or organizers, but start with whatever thing you have. But just make sure that you know where your tops are, you know where the bottoms are, you know where you keep your wristwatches, you know where you keep your sunglasses, everything in a specific spot. You are not searching for socks in the midst of tops. You are not searching for tops in the midst of skirts. You are not searching for skirts where the dresses are supposed to be. You are not looking for your scarf where your socks used to be. Everything having a specific place is a wonderful way of managing your wardrobe. Be specific. Keep things in specific place. And that does not mean perfection. It only means just try your best to keep them in specific places. That doesn't mean that it has to be at the exact place, but it helps you, and it also saves you time of getting ready when you can very easily find the things you are looking for. One of the things that can wake a person up in the morning when you're trying to get ready is to begin to search for socks on a cold day, or beginning to search for your wristwatch when you're already running late and you're wondering, oh my goodness, I'm already late. How am I going to manage? I'm supposed to wear my wristwatch. How am I going to time myself through the things that I need to do? Those things can add unnecessary stress, and stress is not good for our bodies. Let's get organized. Let's put the things together, because when we do that, we will find out that it is much easier to maintain a wonderful wardrobe. If you'd like to download the points that we've talked about today, just reach out to styledbymargaret.com. That is styledbymargaret.com, and right there on my website, you can download the guide to 5 steps to gaining clarity in your wardrobe and avoiding clutter. So go on right now and check styledbymargaret.com. It's styledbymargaret.com to download the free resource. Thank you once again for your time. Till I come your way again, have fun and stay stylish.